Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how to change recovery email on Telegram. First open the Telegram application on your device, then tap the three-line icon at the top left. Now click on the setting, scroll down a bit until you see privacy and security and click on it. Then you see two-step verification option, click on it, enter your password and click on continue. Next, tap on change recovery email, then add the new email and click on continue. Now enter the verification code for the change recovery email, and that's it. The Telegram recovery email has changed. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.